I will try to cover whole part of a vector. Vector in on short. In physics, we study a large number of physical quantity. In physics we get a large number of physical quantity, whole quantity. That's mean physical quantity we can divide it in two part. One is scalar and other is vector. Physical quantities can be divided two part, scalar and vector. Scalar and vector. In scalar quantity have only magnitude, but it has no need any kinds of direction. But in vector needs both magnitude and direction. Okay. Scalar quantity only magnitude but no direction. Okay, remember, no direction. In vector both magnitude plus direction need. Okay, in scalar quantity example, mass, volume, density. Vector quantity example, velocity, acceleration. Now we will study only this vector part. Vector notation, especially a bold capital letter used with an arrow. That's mean this is bold capital letter and this is arrow, known as vector. Okay, in this way a vector denote. In this way a vector identify. In this way we can see a vector. Type of vector. Vector may be various types. Okay. Polar vector, starting point of application. Okay, starting point of application is known as polar vector. That's mean displacement, force, etc. Axial vector, present in a rotational effect with axis. Okay, example, angular velocity, angular acceleration, etc. Okay, this is axis. Okay, and this is angular velocity and this is axis. Equal vector, magnitude plus direction is same. That's mean this is a vector and this is b vector, same direction and same magnitude. That's mean a vector equal to b vector. In parallel vector direction same but magnitude not same. Okay, that's mean if it's a vector and this is b vector, a vector and b vector in same direction, but if we see that a vector's magnitude, whole magnitude will be less than b vector. Okay, antiparallel vector, direction opposite and magnitude may be same or not. That's mean if a vector in this way, b vector this way. Okay, a vector, this is b vector, but their direction is different and this magnitude may be same or not. Okay, collinear vector in same line. That's mean this is a line. Okay, if if I consider this is a vector, direction may be same or opposite. If direction is same, then this is a vector, the other vector, this is b vector. Okay, same direction in same line, again a vector, ঠিক আছে, this is a vector and maybe opposite direction of other vector. This is a vector and opposite direction of a b vector, but in same line, opposite but in same line. This is collinear vector. When magnitude of a vector is 0, magnitude of any kinds of vector is 0, this is called zero vector. Okay, this is called zero vector. A unit vector, a vector whose magnitude unit in a particular direction. Okay, a vector whose magnitude is unit একক in a particular direction represented by a cap. Okay, that's mean a cap vector by magnitude of vector. This is known as unit vector. Okay, if a vector, this is a vector and magnitude of a vector is represent, this is in this way. Okay, this is magnitude of a vector and this is a vector, and this whole part is unit vector.